Have you ever walked into a room and felt like the air didn't shift, like nobody turned, nobody noticed, like you could disappear and the world wouldn't blink? If you're a black woman watching this, you already know what I mean. You don't need me to explain it. Today, I'm recreating Kelly Rowland's soft glam, the one she did recently that broke the internet, but I'm not going to do my makeup. I'm going to talk to you real talk about what it feels like being invisible and what I have learned starting doing about it. So grab your brushes, sis, and let's get into it. So why Kelly Rowland today? Listen, Kelly has been in the game for over 20 years, and the thing that strikes me about her, the thing I want you to really sit with, is that she has been standing next to one of the biggest stars on the planet for her entire career, and the world had the audacity to really say she's invisible, and I can relate. They called her the other one. They asked her about Beyonce in every interview. The overlook of her artistry, her voice, and her presence, and what Kelly do. Did she shrink? Did she compete? No, she kept showing up soft, glowing, and confident and unbothered. That's what this look represents to me. It's not just makeup, it's the energy of a woman who decided that they may not see me the way I deserve, but I'm going to be seen anyway by me first. Okay, so before we get into the techniques, let me run through the makeup. I'm using my Ruby Kisses concealer, and I'm using my Absolute New York blush, and I'm also using my darker concealer as a darker foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and do my brow, find the concealer underneath my brow. So now we are prepping. Let's start the conversation because I told you we're doing both. Let me tell you what individual actually feels like, because people throw the word around, but I want to break it down. Invisible is when you say something in a meeting and nobody responds. Then a coworker say the exact same thing 5 minutes later and suddenly it's brilliant. Invisible is when you walk into a store and the salesperson asks the white woman behind you if she needs help first, even though you've been standing there. Invisible is when you tell your doctor something is wrong and they tell you it's stress. 3 doctors, 5 years until something finally listen. Invisible in the way your hand can be raised in a room full of people who say they care about diversity, and somehow they look right past you every single time. And the thing is, it's not loud. That's what makes it so dangerous. Invisibility is quiet. It's 1,000 tiny moments that one on their own seem like nothing, but stacked up on over a lifetime. It would make you doubt your own existence. Okay, so far we have the blush, we have the Kelly blush on, and I'm using my concealer stick as well, and my blush stick I love very much. This is how I get my makeup to look very natural, and like that's the trick to let from within. Then I take a deep beauty little brush, little sponge brush, and I'm going to bounce it back and forth. Please don't never drag, never wipe, just bounce, especially around the nose and the mouth. So we're going to apply the mascara. Blending, 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 using that L'Oreal to get the definition of your lashes, give it a longer look. So now we're going to go back to what we were saying, because I haven't told you the worst part of feeling invisible yet. The worst part of feeling invisible isn't what other people do to you. The worst part is what you start doing to yourself. Because when the world keeps telling you you're not there, eventually you start agreeing with them. You start shrinking. You stop raising your hand. You stop wearing the red lipstick. You stop saying the bold thing. You stop encouraging yourself, and you start pre-apologizing before you even open your mouth. This might be a dumb question, but sis, it was never a dumb question. You start letting people interrupt you, because at least when they start talking, you don't have to feel the silence after you finish. You start dressing down because being seen feels dangerous, pressure, and you start dimming your own light because someone or somewhere made you feel like your shine was too much by belittling you. And then one day you look in the mirror and you don't even recognize yourself, not because you changed, but because you've been performing small for so long that you forgot what you look like at a full size. That was me for years. And if any part of what I just said hit a nerve, drop a heart in the comments, not for me, but for you, so you know you're not alone in this. Now this is where Kelly look lively, like, so pay attention. Like, I am blending this setting powder, and look at this finished look. It's like a photo finish. And my eyes, you guys, it is a warm matte brown. I did like the crease. I didn't do no black or no gray, and I used the Ruby Kisses gemstones. And I just went back and forth to diffuse it, and don't pack it, but I'm taking that and make it a little bit smoother. As you guys can see, it looks very natural. Like, I'm not wearing a lot of makeup. It's really light. That setting, the eye setting powder, is beautiful and it looks good. So it also like melt the grip, and the brushes scatter like the pigment, and it just blend in. And I just made it more natural, you guys. And I just blend. This is really good. Now look at me real quick. You see how the eyes already look like they belong to a different woman? That's not the makeup. That's the woman who decided to be seen today. So where's the story turns? Because I don't believe in TikTok therapy. That just leave you in trauma. We came here to glow, remember? One day, and I cannot tell you exactly what triggered it. I was getting ready for a regular Tuesday, nothing special, and I caught myself reaching for the boring outfit, the don't draw attention outfit, and something in my head said, stop. Why am I dressing for people who already weren't going to see me? Why am I shrinking for an audience and wasn't watching anyway? And that was it. That was the turn. I put on the red lip, and I put on some little sandals, and I did the full glam, and I went shopping, going to Target, JCPenney. And you know what happened? Nothing. The world didn't end. People didn't stare. The cashier didn't say anything. But I felt different because I caught myself in the reflection of the freezer aisle, and I thought, there she is. There she is. And I realized something I want you to hear. Being seen is not a thing other people do to you. Being seen is a thing you do for yourself first. Everyone else is just caught up. Always do things for yourself because you never know. Always look good for you and no one else. So I wanted to do this because it gave me the power to feel empowered. So as we are narrowing down, never doubt yourself. Down the ages you, uplift you, and you repeat that. The brown warm eyeshadow that I am applying in the outer corner of my eye. And listen, on this melanated skin, we do not need a frosted ice highlighter. We need warm champagne, gold, and peach. That's within our family. I'm pressing it to the higher points, okay? And you don't need a lot of blush. I use my blush stick, baby, that's all we need. And I'm doing with this setting powder, blended in that makeup so it looks very natural. Photo shot makeup. All you need is the brows are soft, they brushed up and not blocked. Kelly's brows in the photo are feathered, not drawn. I do draw my brows, but hey, big difference. This is giving me the exact look with my mascara. I am not wearing individuals, I'm not wearing lashes, just my L'Oreal mascara to give me that length. Now this lip liner just slightly outside of my natural lip line. So I am using my Ruby Kisses. Well, I'm using a pencil first. It's a brown by Donna that I purchased at my local beauty supply store, and it was like $1.99. You can use any type of lip pencil. So I did that to outline my lips, and then I went ahead and used my Ruby Kisses lip gloss. It's called Butter Balm, and it's called Tanza, and I'm going to put that on top to blend that out for you so you guys can see the brown is beautiful. This is gloss, is non-negotiable. Like this soft glam without the gloss, it's a crime. And baby, and you see how it is giving that nice touch. Really good. And I love the lip gloss. And I am using a nude lipstick in the center, and it's called Rose. It's a new lipstick line that I picked up for my job, and I love it because I don't really have nothing nude. And this is giving soft glam, bronzy, glowing, confident, just like the woman I was inspired by. But, and this is important, I don't look like Kelly Rowland. I look like me, the version of me that lets herself be seen. And I want to understand something before the video ends. The world might be slow to see black women to be intelligent, high achievers. In this world, we are very invisible because people don't want us to shine. But at the end of the day, we are shining, we are evolving, we are the melanated women that uplift and we encourage. We work hard, no questions asked, and we are motivated and we're determined no matter what. They might keep getting it wrong, they might keep talking past us, talking over us, and talking around us. But sis, we don't have to wait for them. Our visibility was never theirs to grant. We are not invisible. We are surrounded by people whose visions needs adjusting. We're not invisible. There's a difference. So tomorrow, wear this particular lip combo, and also, you know, wear your sexy heels, wear something cute that motivates you, because you do it for you and no one else, so you won't feel invisible. Do things for you that uplift you. Speak first in the meeting. Take up the space. Do something generous for a person, not because you think somebody's seeing you. No, do it from the heart, not because you're trying to prove anything to anyone, but because you deserve to witness you living loud and seen. That's the whole point. That has been the whole point the whole entire time. This is a great book. If this video meant anything to you, I mean anything, please do me one favor. Don't just like, comment one word, seen. Because every time another black woman drops the word seen in the comments, it's going to remind the next sister scrolling past that she's not the only one. We can see each other's mirrors. Subscribe if you're new. I do glam, I do real talk, I do everything in between. We're building a community of women who refuse to shrink. And the next one is going to be even better. And one more thing, share this with one friend. You know which one, the one who's been dimming, the one who's been quiet lately, the one who needs to hear that she's not invisible. She's just been surrounded by the wrong eyes. Send it to her with no caption, and she will know, I love you, I see you, and I will see you in the next one, my beautiful transformation. And also go grab my new ebook. It is the Celebrity Lip Combo Hack that you guys can buy. That's very affordable. That if you want to create Rihanna, Tyler, Beyonce, Aaliyah, and so on, you guys can please go pick up. Well, grab my ebook and get the rich lip combo look for under $20. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.